Welcome to Hemmings Garage. My name's David Nevison, but please call me Junior. Today, we're going to be installing the front suspension on our 32 Model B. Let's get into it. Got our top mount that goes here, our new U-bolts that I had made up locally because the old ones were smoked. We got that one fits. This one does not fit. For anybody that doesn't know, let me show you how you straighten out a U-bolt. Most times, people just want to rip it apart. Nope. That's it. Our U-bolts in place. Got our little leaf spring here. It's the cutest little leaf spring. You got your center pin here. You have to make sure that's aligned up top and in your perch plate. A little bit of a wrestle. Once we get everything in here, I'll trim off the extra thread that's exposed. There'd be no need for that. You don't want it smacking into our axle. There we go. Once we get a few miles under it, we'll come back, retorque them, make sure everything's all set. All right, now, the fun part. Getting the suspension links in. And I shot myself in the foot. These need to be above the springs. Can I cheat? Oh, it's not looking good. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, so close. So close. Oh, look at that. Would you just look at it? Get our shackles in. As you can see, there's a little square that goes inside with pin. I know the bushing's bad. We have some coming. We will take care of that later, but for the time being, there we go. Gonna be a little shuffle here. There we go. And I need to turn that to get it to line up. Oh, come on, get in there. Without hitting the threads. See if I can pull it in with a nut. They actually have a spreader that's designed for this, but I'm going to see if I can just cheat. Something that's a little bit easier to mess around with. Potentially. As long as you have one of the links lined up with the pins, the other side should just pop right in. Famous last words. Okay, this isn't going to work. I need a real wrench. There we go. 2, 4, 6, 8 cotter pins, and suspension's done. All right, there we go. She's finally down on all 4 wheels. Everything's pretty much done. A few things left to do on the suspension, and then we can start assembling and taking this old girl for a ride, finally. Please stay tuned. Thank you for watching.